So yesterday, for the first time ever, the city of Stratford invited the public to see the inside of the Cooper site building. As soon as I arrived, I saw a line stretching from the entrance to the far end of the parking lot. There was clearly a huge public interest in the event. They were maintaining a capacity and would slowly let people in as others left. Lucky for me, I only stood in line for around 20 minutes.
Are you by yourself?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
All right, thanks. I've wanted to spend time in this building for over a decade now, and finally, all that stood between me and this goal were just a few footsteps. My adrenaline was rushing, senses were heightened, and time had slowed down. Victory was mine, and yet I haven't even explored it yet. I immediately began to soak up my surroundings, trying to document every interesting angle I could find.
Is that a VR setup? Nice.
First, I became obsessed with just running up and down the structure and taking it all in. Many of the older visitors had previously worked there before it closed in the 1980s.
That's where all the machinery was. Inside the lathe and things all.
I kept stopping to talk to friends who I'd run into, and interestingly enough, I kept talking with people I'd never spoken with before.
Pretty cool, eh?
That test pit that we built back in the corner, I think that's like 40 feet of cement.
Yeah.
Like, good job trying to get that out.
Pretty crazy building.
Yeah.
The kind that we can hear.
Where I worked, the door was just in through here, and there was an office back in there.
Yeah, I would have loved to see it when the whole complex was up and
I
running.
never saw it when the engines were in here. I
Yeah.
guess this was all. That'd be quite a thing, just to wind all up. Used to be a turntable out there. But that's
Yeah.
There was even an opportunity to climb onto the mezzanine and see the view of downtown Stratford out of the window.
Pretty cool, eh?
Pretty cool, yeah. I got to get in here a few years ago.
Oh, yeah.
But with a friend who's an engineer and a team of people. But what was good, they forgot I was here and they left for lunch. I had an hour
Oh, no
by
way.
myself in here.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Pretty surreal being in here. And just
Yeah.
with the roof off, the light,
I know.
looked like it's studio lit, you know?
Yeah, just put a glass ceiling on it and
Yeah. I know, eh? Can you imagine? Every
it'd be nice
texture.
to see something happen that's good with it, right?
It wasn't just the people who had stories. Every square foot had a different texture. Every pillar had different pipes, panels, and signage. The closer you'd look, the more beautiful it all became. Though Stratford is a very vibrant city with lots of culture and things to do socially, I can't say I've ever experienced an event where everyone was this social with each other, or where there was this range of ages. Just about everyone had cleared out. I was just about to leave as well, but then the sun came out. The change in weather completely changed the mood of the entire building, and I had to quickly run around and take it all in one last time. And that's when...
All right, sorry.
We flipped the light.
I was waiting for that. Thanks. Sorry. I appreciate it. Thank you. Everything's so different with the light out. So, like, yeah. Thanks. I appreciate it. Thank you guys.
No problem.
Have a good one. See ya.